Well, the short answer is yes, but there are more factors to consider than just the size of the farmland. Before you can be a contract growing partner, the integrator will often send someone to check your site and evaluate it against these guidelines and make sure that it's possible to have a poultry farm in there. In this video, I will share with you the important details to consider so you can assess the property on your own. First, it has to be a minimum of 1 hectare agricultural lot. This is to provide enough room for the 52 by 450 feet poultry building and the other support facilities. Ideally, you want to have a flat and clear land. The less land development that you needed, of course, is going to be better. But sometimes you will still need to use a backhoe to move the soil around to make sure that it's level. Make sure that the land is not low and it's not going to be flooded during the rainy season. You might also need to clear the trees and remove some big rocks where the buildings will sit. Also, check the right-of-way and the access road for the trucks to come in. Sometimes there might be sharp turns or electrical wirings that might cause problems for your transportation. Are you learning so far? Hit the like button if you're enjoying this video. Next up, we need to be at least 1 kilometer away from the residential houses. This is not only for the farm security, this is also to protect us from issues with the local communities with regards to flies and the smell. The site also needs to be at least 1 kilometer away from other poultry or livestock farms. This is for biosecurity, to make sure that we don't bring in diseases from other farms into our own. This includes game fowl chickens or panabong. They are mature and more disease-resistant birds that carry some bacteria that might not necessarily harm them, but will absolutely kill our chicks. Now, the electrical supply could be either a single phase or a 3-phase. And for the water, you might want to test its pH levels, bacteria, and mineral content. Now that you've learned how to assess the farm lot by yourself, it's time to contact the integrators and know about their payment scheme. But who are the integrators in the Philippines anyway? If you're interested in that video, then make sure to subscribe so you won't miss it when it drops. Thank you.